Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change date format in Google Sheets. Now for us to get started, I have here some dates that we're going to be working with. Now let's go ahead with the most common way. We just have to highlight the dates and then we head to Format, Number, and you should be able to see here a date option. You can go ahead and click that one, and what's going to happen is it's going to format everything. However, if say for example you are looking for a different format, you can also go ahead and click the same thing, but this time we're going to choose Custom Date and Time. We're going to click this one and you are going to see here different format options. I want you to go ahead and choose which one suits the best with your document. So say for example, let's try this one right here. Hit apply. There you go. Now there's also another way in order for us to get this done, and it's going to be through a query. So what we're going to do is head over here and we're going to try it here. So I'm going to go ahead and type here query, and then the data is going to be this one right here. And then let's go ahead and type here select and then format, so B. Now B here represents the column B that we're working with, and then you're going to go ahead and choose what kind of format it's gonna be. So it's gonna be this one right here. So the day is going to be 2 digits, and then the month, and then the year. Alright, so this is how it can be, but since I have already done that here, we can go ahead and try to look for a different format as well. Let's go ahead and try this one. Alright, there you go. And yeah, those are some of the ways that we can do in order for us to change date format in Google Sheets.